Ancient drums make a holy sound. Babylon walls may try to fall, but truth still standing tall. Through the valley of broken dreams, nothing really what it seems, but the lion heart inside, still walking with pride. Storm may shake the earth below, still the righteous seeds will grow. From the concrete to the sky, we were born to fly. Sacred fire burning higher, flames of love never tire. Roots so deep we never fall, Jah protection over all. Sacred fire, feel the power, darkest night before the hour. Light will shine through every wire, we're rising sacred fire. Mama said don't lose your way, even when the sky turns gray. Keep your spirit strong and clean, live the life unseen. Chains can never hold the soul, freedom live beyond control. Even when they close again, love will liberate. Whispers in the evening breeze, carried through the ancient trees. Ancestors still speak to the humble and the meek. Come sacred fire, burning higher, flames of love never tire. Roots so deep we never fall, Jah protection over all. Yeah. Fire, fire, rising, rising, Jah guide, burning brighter, brighter. From the island to the street, feel the rhythm in your feet. Heartbeat like a drum, calling kingdom come. No weapon formed shall stand against the righteous hand. We move in unity, one love, one family. Sacred fire burning higher, hearts of gold, souls of fire. No more fear inside, we walk with Jah's guide. Sacred fire ever strong, turning pain into a song. Through the smoke we see the light, love will win the fight. Sacred fire, still rising, still rising, forever rising. Under the midnight sky, roots never die. Midnight calling from the hills, ancient echoes, spirit chills. Moonlight shining on my face, feel that sacred grace. Babylon sleeping unaware, truth still floating in the air. Silent warriors stand tall, waiting for the call. From Kingston streets to foreign land, Jah hold my trembling hand. whispered through the trees. Ancestors beside, walking as my guide. No chains can hold the flame, no system break the name. Zion in my heart, we never fall apart. Midnight roots revival, hearts forever tribal. Feel the fire deep inside, let the truth be guide. Midnight roots revival, faith is always vital. When the pressure tried to fall, love sustain us all. Midnight, midnight, roots revival, forever survival. Never Oh, yeah, yeah. Morning light is breaking, new day awakening. Sunrise over Zion Hill, golden rays, the world stands still. After darkness fades away, hope begins the day. Soft wind whisper through the trees, carrying ancient melodies. Every shadow turning gold, prophecy unfold. From the ashes of the night comes the promise of the light. Every tear that ever falls now uplift us all. Sunrise over Zion, feel a new horizon. Every heart can shine again, freedom in the wind. Sunrise over Zion, Babylon be gone. We rise strong and unified, with Jah by our side. Children laughing in the street, barefoot dancing to the beat. Simple joy we almost lost, now redeemed at any cost. Lioness with steady gaze, walking through the morning haze, carrying the sacred flame, calling Jah name. No more fear inside my chest, faith alone will do the rest. Even when the system tried, truth over Zion, Zion, Zion. Over Zion, light shine so bright. From the island to the shore, we remember what we're for. Unity, the only way. Love will lead the day. Mountains high and valleys low, still the righteous river flow. Nothing can divide when truth is amplified. Every nation, every tongue, old and wise, young and strong. Feel the rhythm deep inside. Let your spirit guide. Sunrise over Zion, hearts forever strong. Through the struggle we endure, now our path is sure. Yeah. Sunrise over Zion, victory is born. From the roots we elevate, love will dominate. Ooh, morning comes, shadows run, sunrise over Zion. No more silence, no more hiding. Lion is rising. Lioness stand firm in the fire. Truth alone is my desire. Babylon whisper in disguise, but we see through their lies. Heavy system press the weak, still the humble learn to speak. From the concrete to the throne, we reclaim our own. Ancient blood inside my vein, dancing through the joy and pain. Never bow, never break, for righteousness' sake. Lioness stand firm, let the righteous burn. Through the storm and through the flame, we defend the name. Lioness stand tall, never fear the fall. Roots so deep beneath the ground, solid, safe and sound. They can try divide and rule, feed the people lies in school, but the drumbeat never sleep, heartbeat running deep. Every mother, every child, born free, not defiled. Chains invisible but real, still we rise and heal. Lion heart and gentle soul, balance make the broken whole. Strength and grace combine, sacred, feminine, divine. Lioness stand firm, watch the tables turn. Power flowing through the veins, breaking mental chains. Stand, stand, stand firm. Echo firm, firm. Lioness rising, stronger now. brighter than a star. Fire blazing in the street, still we move with steady feet. Wisdom sharper than a sword, guided by the Lord. Let the music be the shield, let the truth be revealed. In the rhythm we unite, turn the dark to light. Lioness stand firm, every lesson learned. To oppression we evolve, every problem solved. Lioness stand proud, sing it strong and loud. From the roots we multiply, never let it die. Stand firm. From the dusk until the dawn, bassline rolling like the tide. Feel it deep inside. Every drop of memory, of roots and ancestry, carried by the breeze, through the valleys and the seas. System heavy like a stone, still the current carve its own. Patient like the stream, stronger than it seems. River of love, carry me home, where the spirit freely roams. Through the echo and the sound, lost and then I'm found. River of love, wash away fear, let the message crystal clear. In the rhythm we align, body, soul and mind. Moon reflecting on the wave, freedom only Jah can give. No more rushing through the race, find your inner space. Heartbeat sinking with the drum, past and future become one. Time begin to slow, let the healing flow. From the mountain to the shore, hear the lioness roar, but gentle like the rain, cooling every pain. River of love, steady and wise, see the truth behind disguise. Through the reverb and delay, light will find a way. distance, no control. Just surrender to the soul. Let the current take the weight. Love will regulate every scar and every tear. Disappear when rhythm near. In the groove we breathe. In the groove believe. From the roots beneath the sand to the sky above the land, everything connected be in this frequency. River of love, hold me tight, guide me through the night. In the echo I release, find my inner peace. River of love, strong and free, flow eternally. From the roots we multiply, like the tide we rise. Flow, flow. River of love, forever flow. Love's around me, like the morning sun. Golden embrace in the light, holding me through every fight. When the world feels cold and white, love stay by my side. Simple touch, a gentle word, more powerful than any sword. Healing deeper than the sea, setting spirit free. Through the trials and the strain, through the sunshine and the rain, one warm heart can break the chain, ease the pain. Golden embrace, hold me close when the pressure hurt the most. different colors, different names, still the same flames. No more walls around the heart. We were never meant to part. When compassion lead the way, peace will stay. Let the children see the proof. Love is strength, not just the truth. In the rhythm we unite, day and night. Golden embrace, feel the glow. Let the inner healing flow. In this circle we belong, turning weak to strong. Golden embrace, warm and wide. Let the ego step aside. From the roots we cultivate love that elevate. Golden, golden embrace. Forever warm. Feel it. Feel it. Feel it. Heartbeat. Heartbeat. Heartbeat, evolution sound. Feel the vibration in the ground. From the city to the shore, we can't ignore. Every pulse a message clear. Change is closer than it's appeared. No more waiting for the sign. The moment now is mine. Through the speaker, truth explode. Breaking down the heavy code. Every rhythm carry fire. Lift us higher. Heartbeat revolution. Spiritual evolution. In the drum we find solution. Rise in unity. Heartbeat revolution. Mental resolution. From the roots to elevation. mystic horizon.
Ancestors in every breeze, sacred carried through the seas, timeless melody inside of me. Let the rhythm slow the mind, leave the weight behind. In the silence I expand, guided by your hand. Mystic horizon bright, shining through the night. From the roots to galaxy, we are unity. Mystic horizon free, pure
From the dust we rise, ancient strength in eye. Dust of the ancients on my feet, walking steady down the street. Every step a memory of who we used to be. So beneath the nails of time, holding every sacred rhyme. From the mountains to the plain, echo through the rain. Grandmother whisper in the wind, child, remember where you begin. Roots beneath the stone, never stand alone. Dust of the ancients guide my way through the night into the day. From the soil my strength expands, power in the land. Dust of the ancients in my soul, make the broken spirit whole. Through the struggle we remain, growing through the pain. Barefoot walking on the ground, hear the heartbeat in the sound. Every drummer call, standing proud and tall. Babylon built walls so high, still the trees reach to the sky. Nature never bowed, neither will we now. History carved and scarred, shining like a star. What they try erase, still we embrace. Dust of the ancients never fade, even when the light is shade. Through oppression we survive, ancient force alive. Rise again. Echo, echo, echo. From the soil, from the soil, hands in earth, eyes to sky. No more living small and shy, lying blood in every vein, breaking every chain. We don't beg, we don't plead, plant the conscious seed, water by the sound. Truth grows from the ground. From the dust we elevate, love regenerate, ancient path we walk, stronger than their talk. Dust of the ancients strong, turning right from wrong. From the roots beneath the sand, we reclaim the land. Dust of the ancients rise, truth before our eyes. Through the ages we remain, like the falling rain. From the dust we rise, ancient, alive. Gather round, gather round.
one flame, one sound. One flame burning in the night, different faces, same light, from the village to the town. No more backing down, hands together form a chain, healing every hidden pain. No more divided we stand in unity. Drumbeat echo through the air, calling everyone to share what we almost lost, love without a cost. Children laughing in the yard. Life is simple, life is hard. Still we choose to rise, truth before our eyes. System try to sell the fear, but the message crystal clear. When we move as one, the battle's won. From the mountains to the sea, every color, every creed, plant a righteous seed, watered by the sound. Peace is found, lioness with open arms, shielding from the harm, strength inside her smile, pure and undefiled. Let the music be the bridge from the valley to the ridge. No more separated lands. Join hands, flames gathering. Let the freedom ring. From the dust we elevate. Love regenerates. One flame gathering. New beginning bring. In this circle we belong. Turning wish to strong. One sound still burning. All around. Ooh, yeah. No more silence. No more fear.
justice make a sound. Walls must fall. Hear the call. Truth will outlive them all. Through the pressure we stand strong. Turn it wrong to song. Walls must fall once and for all. No more building mental wall. From the roots we elevate. Love will dominate. Media noise fill the air, selling panic everywhere. But the lioness awake, see through every fake. Babylon in suit and tie, smile the children cry, still we keep the flame alive, conscious and wise. Not with violence, not with hate, but with knowledge we create a future clean and bright, built on truth and light. Walls must fall, systems small, when the people stand tall. Through the struggle and the pain, we will rise again. Let go. Stand firm, stand tall. Let go. History repeat the scene. Greed behind the curtain screen, but the cycle break today. We find another way. Education free the mind, leave the narrow path behind. Every thought a seed we sow, watch the future grow. No more chains inside the head, no more fear of what they say. From the roots we generate a conscious state. Walls must fall, hear the drum call. From the city to the hall, let the righteous energy flow eternally. Walls must fall, spirit his spirit on, deeply grown in a kingdom bright, shining through the night. When the world begins to shake, still I don't break. Kingdom, kingdom within. Searching far away, everything is here today. Heaven not a distant land, but in my hand. From the roots beneath my feet to the sky where heartbeats meet, all aligned inside, nothing left to hide. In a kingdom free, pure divinity, from the roots I elevate in a conscious state. In a kingdom whole, master of my soul, through the storm and through the rain, peace remain within. To break the rules, try to silence the truth, but the seed was underground, safe and sound. We rise again, stronger than the pain, like the sun after the rain. We rise again, we rise again, freedom. streets we grow, from the pain new rivers flow. Every struggle carved the way to today. I don't bow, I don't bend. This is not the end, it's the birth of something bright in the night. We rise again, power in the flame. Every scar